I came back in the video. We're going on a bike ride at 10:30 at night. 10:40 actually. And stuff on my phone. Oops, I didn't say that. Yeah. Yeah.
Feel it's raining, sprinkling a little bit?
Yeah.
Yep.
A little sprinkle guys. I don't think it's gonna. I hope it doesn't pour. I'm not gonna jinx myself. Like, it's kind of sprinkling a little. Not that bad though. I just want to record this because this is the way it's usually by now. I'm back home. Right now I'm usually chilling, watching TikTok. I'm doing Exotic 5682. I don't post that often, but when I do, make it fun and cool. And these videos take a long time to make. It takes me 24 hours just to record these bits. And publish. The videos take 26 hours to make, because I have to wait like 24 hours just wait till night time. So when these night ones, I won't go sprinkling. The good news is I just have to worry about that. Yeah, it's pretty sprinkling, vlog. Yeah, I kind of don't like this rain. Typing in this rain. You walk in this rain, everyone? Not me either. If it gets really bad, like starts pouring, I'm gonna end the video and I'm gonna throw it home. Yeah, I'm still recording a video, so I have to keep my phone out. Unless you guys want to see the next 20 minutes of your phone in my pocket. Yeah, he put his phone in his pocket like a smart person. Normally we don't record. You guys have seen my video, so I stop. I wait till we forward it home just because it's so raining. Well, doing TikTok dances, Mom. Please don't turn. He was doing some TikTok dances. Watch his videos since Savage Customs 19. No. Sun's sprinkling around. I was gonna tell you all this video. Bike going at night. It was sprinkling. I just tried biker. Yeah. You want to turn around? No, I got this. So we turn around?
Huh?
So what are we doing?
Huh?
What are we doing?
Well, I mean, it's... I hate that it's raining now.
Was it raining earlier?
No? When I was riding home, it wasn't even sprinkling.
We should risk it for the biscuit.
Huh?
We should just try. Oh, this car coming now. So what do you think? Should we head back right now? There's a car coming.
Yeah, I know.
No, behind you.
So, we can move.
And then you wonder all you almost got hit. What the hell did you do that?
Huh?
Why did you do that?
I don't know, but I think I might just go home because I don't want to get all wet.
Yeah, he's going home, I'm going home because there's no air biking at 10:30 at night.
Huh?
I said if you're going home, I'm
Well,
going
we
home.
have all day tomorrow because I don't work tomorrow. So it's not going to be... It's probably going to be like 6, at least 6.
Yeah, what if it starts raining tomorrow?
Huh?
What if it starts raining tomorrow?
No, I don't know, but I don't want to get all wet today.
Plus I don't want my phone to get destroyed.
And your phone's just going to get wet.
Yeah. Damn it. Stupid.
Huh?
My stupid gun fell out. Yeah. Dang it.
Well, we have all day tomorrow because I'm pretty sure it's not going to rain all day tomorrow.
Yeah, well, I'm just gonna pause this bit and I'm just gonna.
And it's hard to see through the bike too.
Yeah, plus like when I was recording your biking thing, you can barely see like rain.
Yeah, and the more it rains on the camera, you can't see that. It's foggy.
Yeah, it's only yeah. There's a stupid
It's
truck.
foggy in my visor. You can't see it, but it's getting foggy. Like I can't see.
Oh, we should go home. What is this guy doing?
And that's not safe.
Yeah.
This guy's gonna turn out here.
Should we wait for him?
With the stupid Dodge.
Yeah, what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm not gonna end the video. I'm gonna pause the video until tomorrow we go biking. I just gotta remember not to do a stupid intro. Yeah, I'm not gonna make a video because I'm not making this video 7 minutes long. So what I'm gonna do is, plus my phone's like 58. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a shower and go home. Yeah. Yeah, it's raining, guys. Like it was not like this area. He said it was not like this area. His visor's on the fog off, and my phone could get destroyed. It's best if we go home. Sorry, y'all. What I'm gonna do is just gonna pause this video. Tomorrow, we'll take off. If I didn't spend 10 minutes looking for my phone, it'd be perfect. You know what I mean? If I was living in a while, I'd probably before at home. What I'm gonna do, guys, is just pause. We're gonna see y'all tomorrow. What? Is there an election in my town? I think it says vote here now. Like, hasn't been an election in my town since last year. And that was to be like our mayor. Vote the 15th time. No joke, vote the 10th time. He's probably going to be elected. What was the person? Let's go, vlog. Keep going, Savage going. Go, okay, I'm gonna go in the road usually and do a Savage thing. That car. Really need done, guys. My jaw's depending on. All we do is new cars coming. I can move outside. Yes, y'all. Get it, y'all. Yeah. Yeah, see, let's take it inside. Making it now. I'm gonna take a shower and go to bed, guys. Should I like make a video of like 24 hours of my life? Like, yeah, we're not in this. No. Be stupid. End this. No, I'm gonna end this video actually. Oh, it's not ridiculously too long. Yeah, I'm just gonna end this video. Subscribe and would try our best to do it tomorrow if it doesn't start raining. Love y'all. Bye. Just about that. Yeah, my phone case is wet. We gotta go home. I got yeah. Bye. My God. And of course that is because the team doesn't obviously know how they respect other humans. It's dark out. It's really late at night. And Savage Cousin Duncan sleeps tonight. Go. Put my phone case off. Close this door. Trying to find the rock. Cause my brother broke it. He legit slams him. See y'all next time. Love y'all.